Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this llano battery charger with the display and everything. So without further ado, let me just take this plastic wrap and open this up for us so you can see the charge. All right, let's see how we open. There it is. That was easy. All right. Oh, there it is. So simple. Nice and simple to unbox, which is nice. Alright, so this is our smart battery charger. Comes in a nice package. I really like the design on this. And it comes 80%. So it's also a power bank, which also has input and output ports, which is really nice. Now if I can only manage to open this, there it goes. There we are. So over here, that's where we open and we can charge 2 batteries right there. So we have 2 channels, 2 batteries, and then let's see what else. Designed for cameras. Yep. That's why it looks like a camera. Get it? Take a photo. But anyways, this is how I'm going to be charging my batteries for my cameras. And I really like the quality. It's nice and soft. And it's good for the environment. So llano, that's a good battery bank and charger for cameras on the go. So yeah, anytime you go in the field, you keep your batteries, 2 batteries in here and 1 in your camera. So you can cycle between 3 batteries. So you won't run out of power, that's for sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This is much easier than the cord that you gotta carry around, find the AC outlet to plug it into. This does the job so much better. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, bye.